Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 3 Magic. In this video we're going to show you how you can vanish the spectator's card and then how you can appear it again. I don't want to give you more information because I don't want to get this trick exposed before the tutorial. So here's the performance. The magician have a deck of cards. You can give the cards to the spectator to shuffle it. You can do some cardistry too, because cardistry made like your performance very beautiful and your audience will like enjoy it very much. So yeah, we tell them to say and stop anywhere that they like. In this case they say stop right here, and this would be their card. It's 9 of diamonds. So this is the performance, but this is the performance, so I should not see it. But since I don't have a spectator, I can see it too. But you should not see it. So we show the spectator's card like this. The spectators can grab it to grab their card to be sure. So again, we tell them to say stop anywhere that they like. We assume they say stop right here. We put their card right here, and we will cut the cards as many times as we want. So we do an overhand shuffle. Well, we tell him that we want to choose some cards. Check it out. If your card is in these cards, tell me, or if it isn't, tell me no, it isn't. So I'll pick some cards. Sorry, this card was face down. I didn't face up. Sorry. So we tell the spectator that check it out. Is your card in here? So check it out. Is your card in here? They tell us. Let me see it. They tell us no, it isn't. Tell them yeah, your card is vanished, but they don't believe us. So we tell them you didn't see the next card. Maybe your card is in there. So we put these cards to the bottom of this deck, and it should be face up too. Okay, we'll put it, and yeah, again we will choose some cards. Do these parts quick, not very quick, but do this quick to make sure your spectator. So the spectator will tell us no, my card is not in here. So again we put this card face up, and we put it to the bottom of this deck. Well, again we'll choose some cards. They will tell us, let me see. No, it isn't. Again, these cards are left. Okay. No, they tell us no. We tell them that wow, your card is vanished. How? Let me snap my finger twice. So no, your card is up here. You don't believe me? Well, I don't want to say a random number. I'll say 11. Yeah, 11. I think the 11th card is your card. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And all of the cards are face up. So how? We tell them what was your card for the first time. They tell their card. We tell them that was your card, right? They tell us, yeah, it was 9 of diamonds. So this was the preference. We hope that you like it and you enjoy it. So let's see the tutorial. Well, you saw the performance. We hope that you like it and you enjoy it. Here's the tutorial. So we can give the cards to spectator to shuffle it because it doesn't require any setup. You can do any shuffle that we want or the spectator want. I do a little cardistry with this. So yeah. Now, for the last time, I do a faro shuffle. Okay. Now, when they thought that everything is clear and fair, they should give the cards back to us, to the magician, to do their magic. So, in this case, we should tell them to say stop. We assume that they say stop right here. Okay, this would be their card. So in this case, we can shuffle the cards again to make them sure. So we tell them that I will show you the card and I won't see it. But of course, in this case, since this is a tutorial and I don't have a spectator stone, I will see it too. It's 9 of diamonds, okay? Then again, we tell them say stop. They say stop right here, okay? Once again, we show their card to make them sure. It's 9 of diamonds. We put their card, right here, and then when we want to put this pile on this pile, we should do a pinky break. We told you what is a pinky break in our previous videos, but I will say it again, but it's not complete. You can go there and check out to see the complete tutorial. So yes, for this pinky break, we should use our pinky to make a break between this pile and this pile. Look, let me show you. When you want to put like this, put this pile on this pile like this. So from here, this would be something like this, and from the spectator like view to be something like this. What will spectator see is this, and what we see is something like this. Okay, now we cut the cards anytime that you want. So I cut the card for 3 times. You can do it for 4 times, 5 times. It's not important. So now the spectator card will be on the top of the deck. Okay? Like it. Now we should do an overhand shuffle. What is an overhand shuffle? Let me show you. You should grab the deck like this. You should grab the deck like this. Your thumb will be here and the 3 finger will be here. Okay? Then with our other hand, if you are like you like to grab the deck like with your left hand, you should grab it like this and then grab it. And if you are right hand, and if you like to grab the deck with your right hand, do this. Grab it like this. Then with this hand, grab the first card, okay? The spectator card. Let me show you again. Okay, and after that, this is like, it's not important for us. Like this. Now the spectator card will be here, at the bottom of the deck. Okay, now we told them that I want to choose some cards from the top of the deck. And I want to show you if there is your card in this, card, tell me yes. And if it's not, just tell me no. So we know that the card is here, so their card is not here. So for the first time that you want choose some cards, we should count cards. Like if we should choose cards from 10 to 20. Like in this case, I would like to choose like 14 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14th card. Now, once they're checking the cards to make sure that if the card is in here or not, we do something in this pile. We should do a pinky break again. Let me show you where. While they are checking it, we should do this and grab the bottom card, the spectator card, like this, and then make it pinky. After it's so easy. Please notice that you should grab the card like this. If you grab it like this, they will notice it. Grab it like this, okay? In here, everything is clear and fair, and in here we do something. Okay. Now while they are checking and they make sure that their card is not here, we do this. And when they're done and they're finished by checking their card, we should rotate the card and make it face up, and we should pull the cards face up to right here and put it right here. Let me show you. We tell them that we will put these cards to the bottom of the deck, but we will not do that. So yeah, this will be the card, and this will be the cards that you chose right now. And again, after that, It's not important how many car you want to choose. Again, the car is not here. But this time we will tell the truth. We actually put these cars to the bottom of this deck, face up. You should notice you should put the cards face up, and please be careful to not show the bottom card like this. And after that, after the first time, it's not important. You should not count the cards, how many cards you want to choose. It's not important. It was just for the first time that you chose 40 cards, like
14.
Like this. And after, please be careful and do not do this. So again, we put the cards face up to the bottom of the deck like this. And so yeah, their card is not here. So yeah, and like this. Now we tell them that your card is vanished and you couldn't see it. And I want to now you're fooled. And once more, I want to fool you again. I will appear it again. Let me think. I want to guess your car is which one. By that I mean it's maybe it's the 10th car, it's the 20th car, it's the 13th car. I want to guess. Well, I think it's the 15th car. You know how I did this? You remember that we choose 14th card? When you should always plus 1 to 14th to the cards that you choose. If you choose a 17th card, you should say that this is the 18th card. If you choose 20 card, you should say that your card is the 21th. So yeah, something like this. Now we tell them your card is 15th card. We should count the cards from the bottom of the deck like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and one card is face down. Look, the other card are face up like this. Look. So yeah, all of the cards are face up, but there was just one card that was face down. Then we tell them what was your card for the first time. They will say like it was 9 of diamonds. We tell them it was 9 of diamonds. So this was the trick and the tutorial. You hope that you like it, you enjoy it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So we will see you in our next videos.